individual toxic burden is a big question. A few things I could say. Of course, a whole foods diet, cleaning up your diet is number one. Number two is getting the nutrients that really help to detoxify. And in my book, I've seen over the decades, the most powerful nutrients are a fully buffered vitamin C, magnesium, a quercetin, and a particular liver formula, a liver formula that we've been able to put together with many, many different nutrients, including milk thistle, including coenzyme Q10, many nutrients that stimulate and enhance the liver detoxification. That's where I'd start out, and I'd also make sure I had a high mineral alkaline diet, and you can test that and learn more about that at alkalineforlife.com. If you're interested in our detoxification products, comment DETOX and we'll send you a link.